Hello everyone, this is Hussain, and at this moment I am in Nagoya, and it's around maybe 11:30 p.m. Like it's a night time here, and you know after COVID there are certain restrictions, so many markets in Nagoya have been closed. Nagoya is one of the prefecture of Japan, so at the moment I am in downtown of Nagoya. If Navid can show you, there are different places on different side of me. Nagoya Castle is on that side, and see this big marquee, big wall, and on this side you can see a big swing is also there. And at the moment the signal it's on for pedestrians, and there are certain taxis there. So the basic purpose of making our today's video is to just you people make aware how Japanese life is, particularly at night time. So yeah, coming towards this side. So let's you can see certain bicycles are there. Japan is also famous for bicycling as well. Certain taxis are also there. They're waiting for different people. So I'm going to show you some different aspects of this life of Japanese people. So from here you can see the list of brands one by one. So you will find almost all kind of brand. One good thing about Japan, what I saw in Japan is almost every city, every prefecture's main area, they are having all kind of brands. Like it's not like you have to go to Tokyo to purchase certain thing. You can purchase in Nagoya, you can purchase in Kyoto and Nara. So please, Navi, come and show our audience on this side. You can see the it's 24 hours open. Navi, it's 24 hours open. Yeah. So you can see there are certain participant clubs. So you can find the clubs there. So two of our friends are also there. Some work is going on that side. You can see some big screens. So let's come, Navi, and show our. And I can hear some drum beats. So let's enjoy that drum beat. Also, you might have listened the drum beats, so certain people are beating drums as well. Overall, 11:30 or around 12, like at night, and these kind of activities during COVID era. Sorry. So it's a good sign of a city life. So at the moment, the signal is. I guess this street is also some downtown, some brands.
It's a downtown.
Yeah, some brands are Blue Moon. And please come now. So at that time, let's enjoy drum beating because certain drums I can hear.
This is a food store, maybe. Yeah, this is a hotel and restaurant. Konnichiwa.
So overall, if you can see there is a long queue, so I'm making this vlog short. It's a good life, and actually I'm enjoying because it's my first time in Nagoya, and tomorrow I'll be moving to Nara and Kyoto, then Hiroshima as well. So stay with us and enjoy this life. Thank you so much, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.